Elevate your on-set monitoring and nail your focus with an external display for your Sony A1. First, let's get physically connected. Locate the HDMI output port on your Sony A1. It's usually a micro HDMI port now. Take your micro HDMI to HDMI cable. Ensure it's a high-quality cable capable of handling your desired resolution and frame rate. Think 4K at 60 frames per second for the A1's capabilities. Carefully insert the micro HDMI end into the port on your camera. Make sure it's seated firmly, but avoid forcing it. Next, take the standard HDMI end of the cable and connect it to the HDMI input port on your external monitor. Again, ensure a secure connection. Now, power on both your Sony A1 and your external monitor. Your monitor should automatically detect the signal. If not, you might need to cycle through the input sources on your monitor until you find the correct HDMI input. On your Sony A1, you'll want to configure the HDMI output settings. Navigate to the Setup menu. Then look for HDMI settings. Within HDMI settings, you'll find options like HDMI info display and HDMI rec mode. For critical monitoring, you'll want to ensure HDMI info display is set to on to see your camera's status directly on the external monitor. For a clean, uncluttered view, you can toggle the HDMI info display off. This is great for final output or when using your monitor's internal tools for focus and exposure. To maximize focus accuracy, utilize your monitor's built-in tools. Many external monitors offer focus peaking, zebra stripes, and false color. Enable focus peaking and adjust its sensitivity to highlight the edges of your in-focus subjects. Zebra stripes are invaluable for identifying blown-out highlights, while false color can provide a quick visual representation of exposure levels across your image. Mounting your external monitor strategically is key for your workflow. Consider placing it on a monitor arm attached to your camera rig, offering a comfortable and adjustable viewing angle without straining your neck. Don't forget to explore your monitor's aspect ratio and frame guides. These can be incredibly helpful for composing your shots with specific delivery requirements in mind, like widescreen or social media formats. By integrating an external monitor with your Sony A1, you gain an unparalleled advantage in achieving professional-grade footage. Happy shooting!